Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I am working on this wreath that's going to go on the pallet, the other side of the pallet that I worked on last week. And this wreath is the over wreath, and I'm just going to dab on several different colors on here. After I get all the colors on, I'm just going to take my finger with a circular motion and blend all those in. I have a little bit of water on my mat. Sometimes it gets a little dry to help it a little bit, just not too much, just a little bit. And then after I have this all blended with my finger, I'm going to take the squeegee and just scrape it all off. Take the excess off. Can't save this though because it's a mixture. You don't want to contaminate your color. So now, as I'm taking this off, I did notice that the chalk was drying. So one method to help with this is take that little bit of water on the mat, which you see me doing, and just dab it on to the places that were drying and pulling off with the transfer. What you're doing is just trying to get the chalk to go onto the surface instead of coming off with your transfer. And just a little bit of patience. Take your time, lift it, see where it's starting to pull, and add a little water. And voila, you got it. So, and also fuzzing, because it is going on other chalk already down, and it's also going on wood, so it's a good idea always to fuzz. Now, these pieces are from another wreath. I think it's Established Wreath is what it's called. And I am going with the design principle of odd numbers. It's more pleasing to the eye. So I'm trying with all these extras to keep them in odd numbers. And these leaves I'm using Herb Garden. And now there's some dried flowers that I'm using Mocha for. It also has a grouping of, I guess they're berries, but they're 3 circles in different sizes. And I'm just going to use this shimmer gold on that. Anybody getting any ideas what this is going to be? Well, keep watching. You'll find out soon. Now, when I get all of these pieces on, in the middle, I am going to put a monogram in there. And my last name's Criswell, so it's a C. And I'm going to do that in black velvet. I'm just using that jar there. I don't want the sticky part of that transfer to go down on the chalk. So that's just there to help me out. Pull it off. It's looking good. All right, here's the one side I did last week. And what we have now is, yes, it's a serving tray. Did you guess it? I love it. I think it turned out awesome. So cool. So you could have this sitting up on either side, on the barn or on the serving tray with a monogram. So if you enjoy this, you can go right over to my website, chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. Thanks for watching.